Thank you everyone for joining this course. Welcome to Learner to Programmer with new BBC Micro:bit V2. My name is Manali Barlewar and we are going to learn programming and coding together with the recently launched BBC Micro:bit V2. This course will help teachers, parents, kids and other coders who want to learn programming and coding as a beginner. In this course, we will learn lots of different things, but before that, let me explain you what is BBC Micro:bit. BBC Micro:bit is pocket-sized codable computer. It has lots of different types of input and output devices like 25 LED displays, buttons, inbuilt speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, and sensor of temperature, motion and light, and many more advanced features. BBC Micro:bit was launched to make the coding fun and easy to learn and understand for every generation. The Micro:bit V2 is completely programmable, so you can easily bring your ideas to life, from making games, creating music, and even controlling the robots. The Micro:bit is pocket-sized computer designed to inspire critical thinking and creativity in children. The Micro:bit can do so many different things when you program it. With this device, children are encouraged to explore the ideas while using real code and real computational thinking. BBC Micro:bit was basically launched in 2016 and it was widely popular in whole world, and it has been huge success globally by using BBC Micro:bit for coding and programming. Micro:bit has helped 25 million children in 60 different countries to learn computing and digital creativity skills, and this is the reason now they add more advanced features in the new BBC Micro:bit, which is called Micro:bit V2, and we are so lucky they launched that BBC Micro:bit V2 recently in November 2020. This new Micro:bit has very nice advanced features like speaker, microphone, Bluetooth connectivity, some advanced power supply, and many more exciting things. With the use of BBC Micro:bit, you can get a chance to understand that how real world examples are helping you, that how people are making Fitbit, how the Morse code is working, make some kind of devices like tracking devices, and there are many more stuff you can understand with the use of BBC Micro:bit. So I just gave you the brief idea that what is actually BBC Micro:bit V2 is about. So thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you in the next session to make you understand that why particularly this device we are using to learn coding and programming. Thank you very much everyone.